treated you like you came with directions. I thought there were rules to how love went, and I thought there were pieces to the game and moves I had to make sure that it would work. I knew that I was gonna win the prize. I knew first place would be on mine. I was so wrong, thinking I was right, that it blurred my sight. Cause I missed all the warnings, acting like your opponent, when all you really wanted was someone to fall in love with. I guess I'm the loser, and I know it's all my fault, cause I played the game.
And you wanna down your guard cause somebody broke your heart. I'm on a mission to fix that. There's no way in hell he's coming back. You get so sensitive when I bring out the way it was, the way that he calls a fuck. When you would show up 10 minutes late, like you never ever made mistakes. Baby, let me hold you. Baby, let me show you I can do it better, baby, like he was supposed to. I'll make you forget him, forget you was with him, cause you fell in love and you know so much. Now I'm here to pick you up. Pick it up, pick it up. I'm picking up the pieces. Pick it up of your heart, I'm healing you. If you're ready to love again, then baby, reach for my hand and know that I can. Pick it up and put you back together. Pick it up, I'll be there through whatever. If you're ready to trust again, you're ready to take a chance, girl, you know I'll pick you up again. You haven't got out your bed, it's staying in your pillowcase when tears running down your face. I know what happened.